Welcome back to Text Nebula. This AI-created video showcases the future of Google Gemini. Stay tuned for the next video, where I'll unveil the tools used. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. Now, let's dive into what the future holds for Google Gemini. Google Gemini 5 features poised to reshape the future of AI. Google's recent announcement of Gemini has sent ripples through the AI community. Gemini's capabilities promise to break new ground in diverse fields. While full access remains limited, let's delve into 5 key features that set Gemini unique. Multimodal mastery. Unlike its predecessors, Gemini isn't confined to text alone. Master of words, conveying ideas with precision. Visual maestro, decoding images with ease. Sound expert, capturing nuances effortlessly. Code virtuoso, weaving logic seamlessly. Imagine asking a question and receiving not just written text, but also relevant images and audio clips. This opens doors for more contextual interactions with AI. Reasoning revolution. Gone are the days of AI simply regurgitating information. Gemini boasts advanced reasoning abilities, allowing it to connect the dots, draw inferences, and explain its conclusions. Imagine a scientific experiment gone wrong. You could ask Gemini to analyze the data, identify potential causes, and even suggest corrective actions, all while explaining its reasoning in clear, understandable language. Creative canvas. Gemini isn't just an information sponge, it's a creative powerhouse. It can generate and compose enchanting music, craft expressive poems, and ingeniously design code. Imagine collaborating with AI on a musical piece, tailoring the sound to your emotions, or brainstorming code solutions for a complex problem. The possibilities for artistic and technical co-creation are endless. Amplified accessibility. Google envisions Gemini as a democratizing force in AI. Its focus on user-friendliness and accessibility aims to make powerful AI tools available to everyone, regardless of technical expertise. Imagine a world where people with disabilities can use AI-powered interfaces to navigate their surroundings, or where language barriers are effortlessly overcome through real-time translation. Evolving ecosystem. Gemini isn't a static entity, it's a constantly evolving ecosystem. Google plans to continuously refine the model, adding new features and capabilities based on user feedback and real-world applications. These are just a glimpse of the transformative potential Gemini holds. Its ability to reason, create, and collaborate paves the way for a future where AI seamlessly integrates into our lives, enhancing our creativity, understanding, and accessibility. While ethical considerations and responsible development remain paramount, Gemini's arrival marks a significant leap forward in the fascinating journey of AI. Google is exploring exciting new features that could further push the boundaries of AI. Integrating Gemini with physical robots could enable them to interact with the world in a more nuanced and intelligent way. Enhancing Gemini's transparency would allow users to understand not just the outputs, but also the reasoning behind them. This builds trust and fosters collaboration between humans and AI. The future of AI is bright, and Google Gemini stands as a beacon of its potential. As it continues to learn and grow, we can expect even more groundbreaking features that will redefine our relationship with technology and reshape the world around us. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.